Hello everyone, this is Paul from Ortho Eval, and today I want to talk about how to more efficiently stretch the calf and how to do it safely, okay? One of the stretches I despise the most is where people hang off of the step like this, where they put an excessive amount of pressure on the metatarsal heads. They stress the fascia and Achilles tendon, and I've seen people injure their metatarsals. I've seen people have plantar fascia discomfort after this, and even Achilles tendon strains. Okay, so one of the best ways to stretch is on a slant board, and I'll have you come right over here. And the reason I like the slant board is because we put equal weight distribution through the whole foot. There's no one spot that gets an excessive amount of pressure on it. You get a nice stretch on here, and people with Metatarsalgia, Morton's Neuroma, Plantar Fasciitis, they do really well. They don't have a lot of plantar foot pain when stretching the calf on a slant board. The other thing that's nice is that the patient has better control because they have their hands on the wall and they have better balance that way. So it's not such an excessive amount of stress. So I'm a huge advocate of using slant boards, always have been, because I've had very poor success with hanging off of a step. So that's my tidbit of information today to make your stretches a little safer and a little more effective.